Hello, this is Silphco95. This is going to be a new series about a 7-segment display, and we will hook that up to a binary calculator, which will calculate binary numbers for you. Basically, we're going to do a 4-bit one, and if you want to do an 8-bit one, well, trying to do it, but that's going to be slow and very messed up to build. So first off, you make a 17 block wide screen and a 11 block high. So 17 blocks wide and 11 blocks up. So what you are going to do here, at the back side, we are going to skip 2 blocks from the side and skip 1 block from under, and then we make 1, 2, 3. Okay, then next to that we make 2, 3 long blocks, and when we have done that we do this like a O shape, and then basically we do exactly the same on top, and it should look like this. Yeah, that was from a failed tutorial. It was like half an hour long just for the display. So here we are going to do the same, skip 2 blocks, and it doesn't matter when it's getting here like only 1 block. That's supposed to be like that. If you want to make a bigger digit, it's going to be harder. So what I'm going to do in this tutorial, show you how you make this display. I will only show you 1 digit, how you make that, and you just copy it for this one, for the other digit. So what we are going to do, we are going to carve the white wool so we can see the black wool, basically. Well, the wiring I'm only going to do in this tutorial for 1 digit, because otherwise it will just take so goddamn long to say, and I mean tutorial for a tutorial. Okay, don't know what to say. Sorry if it's annoying, but now you put torches all over the black. Again, all of these things I didn't think of this, so it is really not mine. I can't take any credit for this. I'm just trying to show you guys this. Let's see. Oh. Oh God. So basically that is it. And now we are going to do the wiring for the right side one. So what we are going to do is put torches under for this under thing, and we make a little bit of a hole here. Repeaters, no delay, the lowest delay that is possible, and bring your wire out. So now we are going to do the left one, which will be like this. So we are powering this block, okay? This one will power the under block, and then this one will power the second block, and this one will power that block. So what we want to do is basically simple. We are going to connect all the repeaters to 1 point and bring it as far as left, or from this side as far from the screen you can go for this one. So we are going to do this, because you also need to do that one and put it like here somewhere. You just want a lot of space in between, so you don't like, oh shit, I don't have any more space, because that was the case in that one. So we have done the under one and this one, But as this one doesn't have any like torches, it needs to be inverted. How we do that? Just an inverter over here should do it. And if they're not off, check if everything is alright, because they need to be off. It could be because the repeaters aren't correctly connected by doing this. See, it wouldn't work anymore. Or you just didn't do this, and this one already is off because of the torches. So now we're going to do this one, the right one, or actually if you look at like this, it's the left one, but that doesn't matter. You look at from the behind. So we basically do the exact same, and yeah, connect it all. Basically you want this one to be as close to the middle one. Actually no, I'll leave some space in between for, let me see, we gotta put that one somewhere. So put it as right as you can go. So we put the middle one somewhere here, and here we put the top or something. I don't know yet. Just put it here. Put the repeater over here. Actually, I want the repeater to be over here as well. So what we have done now is the under one, and the two sides ones. Now we need to do the middle one. This is a little bit different. Again, torches underneath the black blocks, and then a bit underneath that you're putting a platform with the repeaters and redstone. But that's a kind of a problem here, because now the sides are connected to the middle one. We do not want that. Just block it off by doing that. Okay? So what we are going to do now, I'm going to drag it all the way to the left, so, and the top one I'm going to put here. That's why I reserve all the space, because you also need to put these somewhere. And that's going to be a real challenge with this one, because we already have some bullcrap here. That's why you have 5 blocks here in between. And so drag this down. Wow. Yes, like that. Block that one off, and that should work. Just like that. Probably should put a repeater here, as well as for this one, so we don't have different delays. Because if you have different delays, it's all going to, like, if you do a 0, it will toot 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 toot, like not at the same time. It would be all weird and stuff. Well, actually the middle and the bottom and all that kind of stuff already have repeaters and torches, so they will be later. They will be always later than the rest. So what we are going to do now is basically all the same. So now we are going to do the sides ones. God, creative mode, seriously, it sucks. The flying is so retarded, seriously. You fly everywhere with this. Like, whoa, we're just fuck. So I'm going to put that line here, because we preserve that space for that one. You need to preserve space. You definitely need to preserve space for the higher ones. So make sure you do that, because otherwise, and make sure you don't block off any of the old ones. Like this. Oh god, what did I do? Messed something up. Yes, I did. Let me drag this down. Little repeater here. It has different delays. It's going to be acting really weird, but it's not a professional thing, so it doesn't really matter. So what we want to do is, oh, we don't need a repeater. We need an inverter. That's good enough. That works the same way as a repeater. Don't do a repeater if you use a inverter. So check if all the repeaters are working on the higher up ones, because that sometimes doesn't work because it doesn't go far enough. Just because there are a lot of problems with the building of this, so you gotta really be like, okay, how am I going to solve this problem? I have more problems. How am I going to solve that? And this one wasn't standing right. Oh, and by the way, I don't know why my repeaters are so dang dark, but I guess it's a 1.8 bug, because I have it with every single repeater that's off. So what we are going to do, because the middle one is going to, the top one is going to be here for easy things. So we have the bottom one, the bottom one, the middle one, and the top one. So we have close. So we have them close together. Yeah. So this one is going to be here. Oh, and by the way. Actually, I'm sorry I'm telling you this now. I'm very sorry. But we might just have to expand this little area over here, because maybe we don't have enough space. And that would suck. Preserve more space, okay? Let's make this white screen a little bit bigger. Make it a little bit bigger. Like 20, 21. Do 21. 21 is right. 21 would be good. 21 would be enough space. It would look retarded, like, whoa, why is it like that far away from each other? I don't know how to preserve this space. More space, but let's go on with this digit. And if you have enough space for it, just do it. Doesn't matter. Oh, bring this a little bit down. Next to this one, so the redstone should be here. Like that. So what are we going to do? We are going to connect that and a little inverter. So check if everything is off. Yes. Now we are going to do the top one. The top one is just the same as, just make it connect to the black blocks. Again, repeaters here, redstone here, fix the problem, done. So we are going to put that down there, because as I said, I'm going to reserve that spot for that special purpose. Actually, I need to go one more right. So, actually, I don't know if I need to use a repeater, but yes, I need to. With this one, I'm going to do this as far as possible, if I can. Yes, that's enough. Actually, I want all the repeaters to be over here. Let's just drag this all out. All the inverters should be here also, because it looks better. Yes, that would look better, way better. Let's just drag this out. This is not yet necessary, but here and here, and redstone. And now check if everything is off, and it is. Don't go to the next tutorial before you have everything off. And as you can see, it's really wide. So I'm going to do a little calculations here. So it's 1 block, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let's preserve 12 blocks, which is 3, 4, 5 blocks at the side. So we need to put the next digit 2 blocks away where we did it first. So make the screen 2 blocks bigger. I'm really sorry I'm telling this to you now, but I just found this out too, and it's not very well and not very good for me as well. So like I said, just do this, carve it out, put the redstone torches on it, and just do the same connection stuff, and drag the repeaters out as far as possible. Preserve space. I would definitely say that. Preserve. Oh, this one is blocked. It's a bit too high. Preserve space, because that's really going to help you later on. So what we did is we have more space now. I'm going to check out if this is enough by just making the left one. This is the last one I'm doing because this tutorial is getting long, and I don't want it to be boring or something. So, but your patience will be awarded by a redstone binary calculator thing. Again, try to do 1 block space in between everything. So this one would be here, and we put a repeater here, or inverter. And you can see that it's enough space, and then the right side we have more than enough space. And that over there is that is going to be the calculator, by the way, because as you can see, this is a binary to decimal decoder. But if we do like 4, oh wait, I didn't install that yet. But 1 plus 2 is 3, equals 3. And 4 plus 0 is basically 4. So that is, this display is going to display everything that's in that little calculator, and that would be really awesome. Oh, this is the wrong one. Sorry. This is the one. This is the one. So I hope you like this tutorial. Please comment, rate, and subscribe if you like. I'm going to make more videos, of course, because just the screen that's next tutorial we are going to make, I'm going to show you this one finished first. Then I'm going to show how to make a decimal to 7th segment decoder. You need 2 decoders in this tutorial, by the way. 7th segment to no, decimal to 7th segment decoder. Because out of the binary one, there comes decimal numbers. Decimal numbers go to the decoder for 7th segment, and then 7th segment displays your answer. And that's going to be a lot of fun once we have this. I hope you will enjoy these tutorials. Well, actually, they are going to be pretty boring. But once you have done this, I think this would be awesome. This is the first time I'm making actually a calculator. This is the first time. Well, this is not the first time I make a display. So, but again, just face the problems, see how you can fix it, and otherwise just make a video response with your problem, and I will try to help you with text. If not, I'm going to help you with a video maybe. I will just try to help you make this. Okay? And I really hope this is going to get a lot of views, because I don't want this to be like just for 10 people. I want to like do this for 100 people. Well, actually, I do this for 10 people. I would, but it's nicer to have like more people watching this. So trying to other people who play Minecraft, just tell them about my tutorials, and maybe let them subscribe or something. That would be really nice if I had some more views. So guys, this tutorial getting long, and bye.